the issue at hand is so many callers from America, from Canada, from Europe, from all over the world. The Muslims are confused. Shaykh, what should we do? Our hearts are with Mecca. And our people here are mixed. Who should we follow? Some say we fast Wednesday, others say we'll fast Thursday, and maybe in some countries they would fast even a day further down the line. So what to do? The default in Islam is that we see the crescent that inaugurates the beginning of the month in the lunar year. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, fast when you see it and break your fast, that is for Eid, when you see it. So the default is that Muslims should unite, and each region has their own sighting, because this was done at the time of the Prophet ﷺ. The companions did this, as Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, did, where the people of Syria, the Sham, where Muawiyah was, had a different sighting to the people of Medina, where Ibn Abbas was. And they said that this is the Sunnah. There is a difference of one day. Of course, at the time, they did not have social media that facilitated them, or to phone calls or mobiles or the likes, to know immediately what is happening across the globe. So this is the default. Each region has their own sighting. The problem is that in the United States of America, in Canada, in the UK, they may not be able to do this. They may not have the facilities to do this. They may not trust those who are doing it. So the scholars say that every country has to have a religious authority. And this is again debatable, because so many divisions among the Muslims. And people would jump and say, oh no, this aqidah is not good, this practice is not good, this manhaj is not good. And they divide the ummah. The issue is, are they Muslims? Though deviant, the answer is yes. They're Muslims, they're not mushrik, they're not kafir. But they're deviant, they're people of innovation. As long as the bulk of the Muslims agree on having it on Thursday, then all of you in that country, you follow them and fast on Thursday, regardless where your hearts are. Yes, you're inclined to follow Saudi Arabia, to follow Mecca. But the global sighting is not the right opinion. So if people cited the crescent in Australia, this does not cascade to America, to the Middle East and the likes, because there's no such thing as global sighting, as there is no such thing as global sunset. Therefore, the Muslims have to follow the majority and the Muslim authority in their country. Whether they use moon sighting, even if they use calculation, which is totally wrong. Muslim countries that follow calculations, and they've said 10 days or a month ago that Ramadan would be on Thursday. This is bogus. They're not following Islam. But because we want the Muslims to be united, if the Muslim ruler said something bogus like this, we follow him. Because unity is a priority. And alhamdulillah, the sin is in his neck. He's the one who's going to roast. Who cares? But we follow the Muslim ruler despite his sins, because he is whom we're ordered to follow and to obey, even if he's following the wrong methodology. And this is what Shaykh ibn Uthaymeen and the great scholars of Islam have pointed out. So no need for confusion. Try your level best to follow the majority and the authority of the Muslims in your country. And may Allah make this a blessed Ramadan for the whole ummah.